What is greenhouse? The greenhouse is used for the vegetation in which the plants recurrently regulate the climate conditions. You may or may not heard about the greenhouse effect. It is used for explaining the global warming. The earth is becoming greenhouse due to greenhouse gases, and it is really important to know about what has been changed because of the greenhouse gases and what are the sources. Hello, my name is Grace Kang. Today I want to talk about greenhouse gases that occur in our daily activity and the main contributor to the global warming. However, there is an alternative to reduce the greenhouse gases from the renewable energy. So today, first, I want to talk about what are the problems that because of the global warming. And second, I want to talk about what are the causes of the global warming, including the greenhouse gases. And third, I want to talk about the alternative to reduce the greenhouse gases. Before the presentation, I want to define what is the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases is the gases that contributed to greenhouse effect. There are several greenhouse gases including carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, and fluorinated gases. Then what are the problems? The first problem is greenhouse gases change the climate. From the book A Dictionary of the Agriculture and Land Management, the author mainly said that the heat from the sun needs to back to the space, but the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb this heat. They radiate the heat back to the Earth's surface. This mechanism results in global warming. Even there is only a tiny amount of the greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere, it brings huge climate changes. The second problem is the climate changes bring the huge environmental changes. Because of the climate change and the glaciers are melting, which brings a global sea levels rising. When the air temperature over the ocean is increasing, the sea surface and the ocean's heat contents are increasing, which results in the damage of the coral and marine ecosystems. As the air temperature and land and humidity is increasing, the excess heat and humidity make the wider distribution of the insects, which can bring the health-related issues. When the greenhouse gases change the climates, the other changes in the environment are cascades. Then what are the causes? The first causes is the global warming trends that has accelerated our daily activities. Since the Industrial Revolution, carbon dioxide emission has been increasing from the human sources. The burning of oil, coal, and deforestation are primary causes to increasing carbon dioxide emissions and primary sources of the greenhouse gases that produce from our daily lives are power generation, industry, and transportation. The second cause is increasing of the waste produced by human activity brings the environmental pollutions. According to Butterworth, the science of the biofuels reports on December 2009, when organic waste decompose, the carbon dioxide and methane gases are created. Carbon dioxide and methane gases are the most contributor to the global warming and climate changes. According to NASA data on April 2020, both gases are produced from the decomposition of the waste in landfills. Especially methane is 28 to 36 times as warming as the carbon dioxide, which means 1 ton of the methane is equal to 28 to 36 tons of the carbon dioxide. We can remove the greenhouse gas. We cannot remove the greenhouse gas at all. However, if we are using energy wisely, we can reduce these gases. So first solution is renewable energy. Renewable energy can be altered to the daily energy sources. According to the website Texas Electric Examiner posted on July 15, 2018, it said renewable energy is collection the energy from the renewable sources, which are natural sources such as sunlight, winds, rains, wave, geothermal heat. and etc. For example, solar energy can be captured from the sunlight and used for the cooking, heating, and powering your home instead of the using gases. The usage of the solar energy can reduce the emission of the greenhouse gases from your home product. The second solution is waste can be used as a daily energy sources. Methane is 28 to 36 times as warming as the carbon dioxide, so it is really important to reduce the methane concentration in the atmosphere. According to the author of the renewable and alternative energy sources, means that when the capture methane from the decomposition of the waste in landfill, the methane can be used as a biogases and used in any application that fossil fuels are used in. The biomass is the most widely used renewable energy for the heating and cooking in daily life. The usage of the renewable energy can be cumbersome and requires some effort compared to the normal energy sources. But it will be the important key to reducing the global warming and greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases that occur in our daily activity is the main contributor to the global warming, but there is alternative to reduce the greenhouse gases from renewable energy. Today, I mainly talk about how greenhouse gases affect on the global warming. First, I talk about how global warming affects on the Earth, and second, I talk about what are the causes of the global warming, especially greenhouse gases. And third, I talk about the alternative to reduce the greenhouse gases from the renewable energy. From Indian proverb, only when the last tree has died and the last river has been poisoned and the last fish been caught, will we realize we cannot eat money. We gain a lot of things and can enjoy life from the development of the industry. However, the environment and nature has changed a lot. Especially the global warming global warming bringing the climate change. For the future generation, we need to use our energy sources wisely and we need to alert and protect our environment. For the better and active development of the renewable energy, the government needs to active participate, and also we need to more concern about using the renewable energy. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.